As educators, you have a million things to think about and plan for every day. The last thing you need is a classroom ecosystem that slows you down. Samsung's interactive whiteboards enable and enhance your current teaching style and lesson plans while improving student learning outcomes. Here's how. One of the best features on Samsung's interactive whiteboards is the ability to screencast onto the display from most devices. Teachers can effortlessly cast their own devices or the devices of students onto the display. You can also cast both at the same time. A technology called SmartView Plus allows you to connect up to 50 separate devices simultaneously to the Samsung Interactive Whiteboard and cast up to 6 screens on the display at once. Imagine having 6 students showcasing and comparing their work for the entire class to see. Screencasting creates a more engaging and hands-on learning experience. You can access SmartView Plus in 3 simple clicks. Click on the tab with 3 lines on either side of the display. Then click Import. Finally, click SmartView Plus. Select your interactive display from the device you are casting, and you're ready to go. This functionality untethers you from the front of the classroom, leading to effective and efficient teaching that amplifies your current lesson plans. Learn more about how Samsung interactive displays are transforming the classroom ecosystem. Samsung.com/interactive.